In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install the Shopify app. To begin, you will first log in to your Shopify account. Open your browser and go to the Shopify login page. Then enter your login credentials and sign in. Once you have successfully logged in, you should see your store area load, and you should be able to access the administrative tools for your shop. If you do not see the dashboard right away, give it a moment to fully load or refresh the page once. Now that you are logged in, the next thing is to make sure you are in the correct place. You want to be on the dashboard admin view. Look for the main administrative landing page. This is usually the central area where you can manage your store settings, products, and apps. Being in the dashboard admin area matters because the installation process depends on having access to the right browser and store interface. After you confirm you are on the admin dashboard, you will move to the Chrome menu. In the top right corner of your Chrome browser window, find the three dots icon. This is the Chrome Settings and Tools menu. Click on it carefully so the options list opens. This next step is important because the app installation option is located in the browser menu, not inside the Shopify pages themselves. Next, you will hover over the appropriate setting in that menu. When the Chrome menu opens, look for the option that relates to installing or casting, saving, and sharing. Hover your mouse over the section that says something like Cast, Save, and Share. You do not need to click immediately. The goal here is to reveal the submenu where the installation option will appear. Once the submenu appears, you will click the option that says Install Page as App. When you select this, Chrome prepares to install the current page as an application shortcut. This step works best because you are installing the actual Shopify page you are viewing, which at this point should be your admin dashboard. If the option is not visible, make sure you are still on the admin dashboard page and not on a different screen. At this stage, a confirmation may appear. After you click Install Page as App, Chrome might ask you to confirm the installation. If you see a prompt, review it and confirm that you want to install the page as an app. Pay attention to what the confirmation window says, such as whether it shows the app name or the page it is using. If there is a confirmation requirement, you will need to approve it, so Chrome completes the installation. Once you confirm, wait briefly while Chrome finishes setting up the app. You may notice that the installation takes a moment, and then either opens the installed app or shows that the process has completed. During this time, you can keep your focus on the browser window and ensure that nothing interrupts the installation. If the confirmation prompt disappears, that is usually a sign that Chrome is proceeding with installation. Finally, after installation completes, check that the Shopify app is available the way you expect. Depending on your device and browser settings, the app may appear as a shortcut in your app area or open as a separate window. You should then be able to access your Shopify admin page through that installed app interface. If it does not appear immediately, wait a few seconds and look again in the place where Chrome stores app shortcuts. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.